Today's company joining the Bitcoin wave is Metaplanet, Japan's boldest bet yet on Bitcoin as a treasury asset. In this video, we're covering the news, who Metaplanet is, how Bitcoin fits into their strategy, and what it could mean for the future of corporate finance. Let's get into it. On April 22nd, Metaplanet's CEO Simon Gerovich defended the company's Bitcoin treasury strategy despite market skepticism and share price concerns. Gerovich told the block that the firm is just getting started and that its goal isn't to chase short-term stock gains but to build long-term corporate value. This statement comes as Metaplanet ramps up Bitcoin purchases, joining the likes of MicroStrategy in making BTC a core treasury holding. So who is Metaplanet? Metaplanet is a Japanese public company, traditionally focused on technology and investment services. They've shifted focus recently with an aggressive pivot into Bitcoin. Although smaller in market cap than players like Tesla or MicroStrategy, their boldness is turning heads in Asia and beyond. The company's leadership has been clear. This isn't a publicity stunt. It's a strategy rooted in conviction. Simon Gerovich noted that results are already materializing and framed the move as the beginning of a long-term shift. So how does Bitcoin fit into their treasury? Let's break it down. The motivation? This looks like a mix of long-term vision and defensive positioning. Japan's economic environment, with inflation concerns and yen devaluation, may be a driver here. On risk exposure, Metaplanet isn't over-leveraged. Their Bitcoin holdings are significant, but not reckless compared to cash reserves. In historical context, this move draws immediate comparisons to MicroStrategy's 2020 pivot, but it's happening in a more Bitcoin mature landscape. Investor reaction has been mixed. Shares initially popped on the news but have since faced volatility, likely tied more to market sentiment than fundamentals. Zooming out, Metaplanet's move is part of a bigger story. Adam Back, CEO of Blockstream, recently said that Bitcoin treasury firms are positioning for a potential $200 trillion global market as Hyperbitcoinization gains momentum. That's the idea that Bitcoin could gradually replace fiat currencies in treasuries and balance sheets worldwide. A bold claim, but firms like Metaplanet are betting on it. Quick take. Hyperbitcoinization refers to a tipping point where BTC becomes a dominant reserve asset globally. Metaplanet's pivot could be the early signal of a broader wave in Asia, but watch out for regulatory headwinds and retail investor reactions. If you want more Bitcoin-related treasury insights, subscribe to the channel and tell me, what company should I cover next? Drop your thoughts below.